In today's video, I'll show you how to create gaming voices with ElevenLabs so you can generate unique AI voices for game characters, cutscenes, and interactive experiences. Whether you're developing a game or just experimenting with AI voices, ElevenLabs makes it easy to create dialogue that sounds natural and engaging. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account and head to the text-to-speech or voice library section. This is where you'll choose or create the voices for your game. Next, decide what type of character you're creating. Is it a brave hero, a mysterious villain, a friendly guide, or a robotic assistant? Choosing the right voice helps bring your character to life. Once you've selected a voice, type or paste your character's dialogue into the text editor. Write the lines the way a real person would speak and use punctuation
Wer
to
kennt
create
sie
natural
nicht?
pauses and emotion.
Stimmen, die einen
Now
unweigerlich
generate the audio and listen to the result. Pay attention to the tone, pacing, and pronunciation to make sure the voice matches your character's personality. If the voice doesn't sound quite right, try another voice or
Are
make
you
small
ready to
changes to the dialogue
revolutionize your
before
mod?
generating it again. Testing different combinations can help you find the perfect fit. For games with multiple characters, repeat the process using different voices so each character has a distinct identity and players can easily tell them apart. When you're satisfied with the results, download the voice clips and import them into your game engine or editing software. With a bit of creativity and experimentation, you can create immersive character voices that make your game feel more engaging and memorable. And that's how you create gaming voices with ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.